So went grocery shopping because my kids come home tomorrow. This is what food stamps looks like. This is like, I'm gonna put the total on the screen so I don't say it wrong. 500 and something. The number will be right here. And then I got some household items as well, and that was like $179. So rapid grocery haul coming in bunches. I know I ordered like 3 of these. Syrup, got some cheeses, grapes, got some shelf milk, 3 of those I think. Go-Gurts, because of Go-Gurts. Love these fruit gel cups. I got 2 of these. This is me for $1 back. Cheeses, got some butter, I got eggs, hot cocoa, raisins, 36 Pop-Tarts, little daddies, a little lettuce, like head of lettuce, applesauce. I don't know why I got these because I literally have some in the pantry. 2 bacons, beef meatballs, 2 of these, a family pack of chicken nuggets, variety pack of cereal bars, and kids of those, waffles, 3 pebbles, and some Fruit Loops. Got some baby waters. I think I have 4 of those. Got some ground beef. I have some in this liquid as well. Never got these, but chicken eggs, chili cheese, meat hot dogs, they're so good. 2 packs of chicken wings. Looks like so. Mild baby wash. And cool it now. There's more to come. Hold on. Here is another batch of things. We got 18 packs of D. Candles like that. 40 pack of Huggies. And over here, we got 2 frozen pizzas, 4 cheese and pepperoni. Never had these, but one more than I would. My youngest likes corn. Got some ice cream. Carrots. Bell peppers. One loaf of bread. Need a pepper. Got 2 peppers. Right, older center, loaves, milk pies, sugar cakes, got some hamburgers, some fish sticks, some food. Guys, I can't love these. I need others too. Almost actually so good. I got some coming as well. Right, I got some more stuff. These ramen noodles look good. These are like new ones. Like, those look so tasty. It's a goldfish. I really like these all as well. Hot dog buns. Love these and the waters. Cheese with Ritz crackers. And then those. These are more for like my toddler. She's 2. These are the kids. And then food products, some tape. Yeah, I cannot, like, a can opener, so I got electric wires on sale. And then so I can make some pancakes on here, like this, and then some batteries. There's more. Some tools, so got these tools. For our sons, some rubbing alcohol. My daughter's some chopsticks, food spray products, good hands, air French shampoo, 2 deodorants for the backpacks, 2 tools. My daughter's a smell good. My son's smell good. Maybe some soap. This is the powder. And this also got some pasta, spaghetti, fettuccine, pepper sauce, and sauces. Got 1 gallon of 2% milk, 2 weeks of sausage, 2 bags of potatoes, 1 beef belly, and sausage dress, love beef onions, roast onion, 2 packs of chicken chicken, chicken and biscuits, crackers, more red sauce, grenade, tomato, parmesan, strawberry, 3 cans, spaghetti meatballs, best can of tomatoes, 2 extra cheese, cups, 4 packs, kids love muffins, 2 packs of burgers, 1 apple noodles, 1 soy burgers, vanilla muffins, and then scrunchies for my mommy. And then some favorite for these, which is fruit smells, fruit snacks, 2 tomatoes, chicken raw, big ready, 2 packs of fried chips, 2 bags, and then some juice, and some here, vegetable, passing all over, 2 black rice, 2 cool spinach. Finishing off with Capri Suns, rice, 20 grams, and a 40 pack, water, and I have 1 more.